This video describes how to create and submit a commercial building permit application. The application has two sections. One is for information about the scope of the project, which determines what type of building permit is required, and the second section is for specific details about the project. After the scope and details of the project have been added, plans and documents will be uploaded prior to submitting the application for review. To begin, log into the Permit Arlington customer portal. Select Create and choose Building Application. Select Building Permit. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and select Continue Application. Under Project Details, this question is used to determine if the project is considered residential or commercial according to the Virginia statewide building code. Read and respond to the question carefully to make sure you are creating the correct type of application. The wrong permit type selection will result in the application being rejected and a new application will be required. In this example, we are selecting No to indicate the work is not in a residential building that is 3 stories or less above grade and contains no more than 2 dwelling units. Select Continue Application. Under Project Details, select all items that describe the scope of work to be performed under this permit. If the scope of work will only include one of the options listed below, select Yes. If the scope of work includes more than one of the options listed below, select No. Note, if No is selected, an additional list of options will be displayed. Under Project Details, select all items that describe the scope of work to be performed under this permit. When you're finished, select Continue Application. Under Project Details, answer all questions, including a description of the scope of work. Up to 4,000 characters can be typed. When you're finished, select Continue Application. Under Review, review all of your responses. To edit information, use the Edit button appearing in the related section. After making edits to a section, select Continue Application. If there are no additional edits, select Continue Application. On the left side of your screen, under Associated Forms, the building permit type will be displayed in gray. In this case, it's Commercial Edition. Next, select Open, which appears in blue to the right of your building permit type. Provide the project location and associated information. For address selection, a partial address can be entered into the search fields in order to help with the search. You should enter both a street number and a street name before selecting Search. If multiple addresses appear, select the correct one. Scroll down. If necessary, select the correct associated parcel and associated owner. When you're finished, click Select. The rest of the address fields should automatically populate. When you're finished, select Continue Application. Next, select Yes or No to indicate whether there will be multiple building permits associated with one set of shared plans for the application. For example, with multiple townhomes or condo units in an office park. If you select Yes, you'll need to add all of your addresses. In this video, we'll select No, followed by Continue Application. Fill out the list of project details. Under Use Groups, select Add a Row and make the appropriate selections. In this video, we'll be adding 2 rows. Next, choose the appropriate use groups and square footage. When you're finished, select Submit, followed by Continue Application. Next, provide information about the permit holder and submitter. When you're finished, click Continue Application. If the permit holder is a licensed contractor, select Add DPOR/Business License. Enter the DPOR or business license information, and the system will verify the license number. Fill in the email and phone fields, then select Save and Close. If applicable, Repeat the same steps for the DPOR number. When you're finished, select Continue Application. For applicant, click Select from Account, choose the associated contact, and fill out the applicable information. For property owner, click Select from Account and choose the associated owner. Note: when Select from Account is used, the legal property owner's information is retrieved from the county's real estate assessment database. If the information that appears is outdated, for example, a recent home sale, enter the new owner's information. It will also be necessary to upload a copy of the new owner's deed or closing disclosure as proof of ownership. When you're finished, click Continue. When you're finished with this section, click Continue Application. Under Review, review the displayed information. If you need to edit something, use the Edit button appearing in the related section. After making edits to a section, select Continue Application. After all edits are completed, review the displayed information. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and select the checkbox to indicate that the information provided is accurate and complete. When you're finished, select Continue Application. Under Associated Forms, select Continue Application to proceed to the document upload page. You may also select View in order to further review the information you just provided. Once you select Continue Application, the previously answered questions cannot be edited prior to submitting the application. If you're not sure at this point, choose Save and Resume later. If you are ready to proceed, click Continue Application. Under Record Submittal, scroll down to the Plan Review section. Choose Browse and select all relevant plans and documents for upload. Make sure you select the discipline for each document. If you're uploading a large number of files, you may want to upload in smaller batches instead of all at once. When you're finished, click Upload, followed by Yes, to confirm you're ready to upload all of the documents listed below. When the documents have finished uploading, click the Submit for Review button. Click Submit again to confirm. Click OK to confirm. At this time, the system will send 2 email notifications to you and any contacts you provided in order to indicate the application and documents have been submitted. After permit administration staff have reviewed the application, you and any other contacts provided will receive another notification with next steps. Your building permit number can be found under the street address heading. Ignore the number under the official use only heading. This concludes the video for commercial building permits.